Leila,
Yes. What?
the fire alarm's going off. My God, when the fire alarm is shut up. The fire alarm's not gonna shut up at any minute. Come on. If this is this a false alarm or is it a false alarm or a test? You know, Leila? Since the fire alarm's going off, I don't know who pulled it. It's probably just for a test or something. Let's go check, Leila. Whoa. Run. Yep. Definitely is. Definitely is a false alarm. It definitely should just be a false alarm. But I don't know what seems to be the case. Huh. Yeah. Let's go to the fire alarm and see what happened. Oh my gosh. Can't believe the way someone pulled the fire alarm. Abuelita, you know who pulled the fire alarm? Do you know who pulled the fire alarm? Abuelita, do you know someone pulled the fire alarm? Oh, yeah. I was pretty much expecting that. No! Up!
What? The doors have been. Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Nope. No one activated it. For some reason. I think they activated the panel accidentally. I don't know what it is. Maybe this is a test. Maybe.